Welcome back. Let us continue. First question. If the height of a pole is 2 root 3 meters and the length of its shadow is 2 meters, find the angle of elevation of the sun. Let me draw the pole. This is having the height of 2 root 3 meters and the shadow cast is 2 meters. So this will be longer than 2. Let me draw the hypotenuse. This is the angle of elevation theta. We have got the opposite side and the adjacent side. So to find theta, we can directly use tan theta. Tan theta is equal to opposite by adjacent. This is equal to 2 root 3 by 2. This is nothing but root 3. From the table we know for tan 60 degree, the value is root 3. Therefore theta is equal to 60 degree. The answer is A. Next question. A ladder leaning against a wall makes an angle 60 degree with the ground. If the length of the ladder is 19 meters, find the distance of the foot of the ladder from the wall. Let us draw the wall. The ladder is leaning against the wall at an angle 60 degree. The length of the ladder is 19 meters. They are asking the distance of the foot of the ladder from the wall, that is this distance. Let this be x. From cos theta, we can find out the ratio of adjacent side to hypotenuse. So cos 60 degree will be equal to x by 19. Cos 60 is nothing but 1 by 2, which is equal to x by 19. X is equal to 19 by 2, that is 9.5 meter. The answer is C. Next question. The angle of elevation of the sun when the length of the shadow of a tree is root 3 times the height of a tree is. They are asking the angle of elevation. Let me draw the tree and the shadow. This is height h. They are saying the angle of elevation of the sun when the length of the shadow of a tree, that is, this is the length of the shadow, is 3 times the height of the tree. So L is equal to root 3 h. They are asking the elevation of the sun, theta. We know tan theta is equal to h by L. We can substitute the values here. L is equal to root 3 h. H by root 3 h. This is equal to 1 by root 3. From trigonometry tables we know tan 30 degree is equal to 1 by root 3. That implies theta is equal to 30 degree. The answer is A. Next question. The angle of elevation of the top of a tower from a certain point is 30 degree. If the observer moves 20 meters towards the tower, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower increases by 15 degree. The height of the tower is. This is next level. The angle of elevation of the top of a tower from a certain point. Let us draw the point and find out the angle. This is 30 degree. Let the point be O, this be A and this be B. If the observer moves 20 meters towards the tower, so this is the observer, he is moving 20 meters towards the tower. Now the angle of elevation of the tower increases by 15 degrees. It is increasing by 15 degrees. It means this is not 15, this is actually 30 plus 15, 45 degrees. Let this point be C. They are asking the height of the tower. Okay. Now we have got this distance OC, which is 20 meter. They are asking us to find the height H. We have got two elevation angles. One is 30 degree and the other one is 45 degree. We know that OC is nothing but OA minus CA. OA minus CA. From trigonometry relations, we know that AB by OA is equal to AB by OA is equal to tan 30. That is this angle. Similarly, AB by AC is equal to tan 45. So this implies OA will be equal to AB, that is H, divided by tan 30, that is 1 by root 3. Similarly, AC will be equal to AB, that is h, divided by tan 45, that is 1. We shall substitute this value here. OC is equal to 20 meter. 20 is equal to OA, that is h by 1 by root 3. That will become h root 3 minus CA or AC, that is h. We can take h outside. H will be in common. Root 3 minus 1. Root 3 is nothing but 1.732. So the value will be h into 0.732, 20. H will be equal to 20 by 0.732. So we can approximately see that 0.73 will be close to 0.75, and that is 3 by 4. We can solve this. 0.732 is close to 0.75, which can be written as 0.75 again 20 into 3 by 4. So this will be 80 by 3. We shall calculate. This will be the approximate value 260.2. This will be 6, 18, 2. So 0.66. So approximately the value will be close to 26.66. The answer which is close to 26.66 is 27.3. This should be the right answer, because here it is divided by 0.73. So it will be higher than this value. The answer is C. Next question. A man on the top of a vertical observation tower observes a car moving at a uniform speed coming directly towards it. If it takes 12 minutes for the angle of depression to change from 30 degree to 45 degree, how soon after this will the car reach the observation tower? Let us draw the diagram. This is the observation tower with height h. The car is coming initially at the angle of elevation 30 degree. Let us mark the points O, A, B. After 12 minutes, the angle of depression changes from 30 degree to 45 degree. This is 45 degree. Let us mark this as C. So from O to C it has taken 12 minutes. Let this be T1, 12 minutes. And from C to A it is T2. We have to find out this value. They have not given any other information, only the change in angle of elevation and the time taken to change. They are asking how soon will the car reach the observation tower. Here the car is moving at a uniform speed. Speed is nothing but distance by time taken. Here we can see the distance covered is OC and it is covered in 12 minutes. Since the car is moving at a uniform speed, we can say the speed remains constant from OC as well as CA. This is OC by time taken, which is 12 minutes, and it is equal to CA by T2. This implies that OC is equal to 12 by T2 into AC. This is first inference. Next we shall use trigonometric relations to find out the distance OC. OC is equal to OA minus AC. We can separately calculate OA and AC. You know, from this triangle OAB, tan 30 degree is equal to AB by OA. AB is H and let OA be as H, OA. Similarly, tan 45 in triangle BCA is equal to AB by AC. This is equal to H by AC. Now we shall substitute OA and AC from this equation. Tan 30 is nothing but 1 by root 3, which is equal to H by OA, and tan 45 is equal to 1, which is equal to H by AC. So we shall substitute the values. OA is nothing but H root 3 minus AC is equal to H. This is equal to H into root 3 minus 1. This is H into 1.732 minus 1. This is equal to 0.732 H. We shall substitute OC into this formula. 0.732 H is equal to 12 by T2 into AC. AC is nothing but h. We can see here AC is equal to h. So we shall substitute h here. So h will get cancelled on either sides. T2 will be equal to 12 by 0.732. Similar to the previous problem, we can assume this as 12 by 0.75, which will be equal to 12 by 3 into 4. We can divide this. This will be equal to 4. This is approximately equal to 16, but it will be more than 16 because we have to divide by 0.73, but we have divided by 0.75. So it should be more than 16. So the answer should be C, 16 minutes 23 seconds. Let us check it. Yeah, that is the answer. Okay, we shall finish the remaining problems in next lecture. Thank you.